how to install the Copilot Entertainment screen on the 2024 Porsche Cayenne. After removing the right panel, unscrew the 2 screws inside. Unscrew these 3 bolts. There are 2 screws under the locker that came out. After taking out the screws in red circles, the vents can be pried out. This is the air outlet to pry out. After taking out the storage box, unscrew these 2 bolts. This is the step to remove the decorative board. Leftward. The first step is to remove the baffle, the second step is to loosen the screws, and the third step is to remove the decorative strip. This is what it looks like when the trim strips are removed. Remove all the screws in this row. Remove this baffle. Unscrew this screw. Take out this plate. You can see here that there are 5 pillars on the top of the screen. So when you take the screen, you have to pull the screen out and then pull it down. Unplug the original car cables. Unplug the CD player. Connect it to the cable we send. Plug in the CD player. Cable up through the window of the CD player. We're going to do a remove here. The first step is to take the buckle out of the original car and put it on the new screen trim board. The second step is to move the air conditioning. Switch on the original car to the new panel. Set up the screen and you're done. Let's take a look at what it looks like when installed.